beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. You're going to see in a minute why. I am going to be sharing with you guys some amazing product I've discovered. Plus there's going to be an at-home facial kit review that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So all these products are from Cheryls Cosmecuticals. In this video I'm going to share with you Cheryls Cosmecuticals 7-step Oxy Blast Energizing Facial Kit. And since we are all at home and we are not really visiting too many salons, it is a great idea to take care of your skin. I'm super excited to show you guys how this facial kit works. My skin is feeling so dull, dry and dehydrated. I'm really looking forward to energizing my skin and giving it an oxygen boost with Cheryls Cosmecuticals Oxy Blast facial kit. And the next product I'm going to talk to you guys about is the Cheryls Cosmecuticals O2C2 Radiance Lotion. You can use this twice a day in your AM and PM routine. This one retails for 970 rupees. It is not meant for acne prone or sensitive skin, but if you have normal skin, you can definitely use this. I'm going to read out. This is like a special formulation to enhance the natural radiance and shine of the skin, inspired by gene science and stem cell research. Cheryls Cosmecuticals O2C2 Lotion is formulated to enhance natural radiance of the skin. This hydrating lotion enhances collagen production, which I'm all for, because it leads to smoother skin and you get fewer wrinkles and lines on the face, and who doesn't want that? And the next product that I'm going to talk about is Cheryls Cosmecuticals SPF spray. So this is a broad spectrum SPF and it is in a spray form, and this retails for 575 rupees. This sunscreen has a non-oily texture and it is a water-based formula. It is also formulated with vitamin C and niacinamide. This sunscreen also is suitable for all skin types. Dermashade SPF 30 from Cheryls Cosmecuticals is specially designed for Indian skin and is known to reduce dark spots and give you a bright skin. So I'm really very excited to share with you guys how I use all these three products. So let's start with the 7-step facial kit. So now this facial kit retails for 300 rupees. It is a single time use kit. So you get 7 of these pouches and all the pouches are numbered from 1 to 7. You have a detailed description of how to use each sachet. So let's start. So before we begin with the facial, let's have a closer look at my skin. Right now my skin feels very dull, dehydrated, and it has no glow or nothing. It feels to me like very dull. So I hope this facial will help me give that glow back to my skin. I'm going to start with the first one, Oxy Blast Cleansing Gel. So let's start with this one first. So this is the cleansing gel. I'm going to apply this all over my face and also on my neck. And then I'm going to wipe it off with a damp cotton cloth. I have a damp cloth here. I'm just going to wipe it off. So step number 2 is their exfoliating peel. So I'm going to apply that all over my face, and they've asked that you can do a steam also along with this. So if you do use steam, then you can use it for 2 minutes. If you're not using any steam, then you can use it for 3 minutes. I'm going to start applying this. Here I'm taking some steam on my face. It's been about 2 minutes since I did apply this. Now I'm just going to take a damp cotton cloth and I'm just going to remove this. So the third step is the Oxy Blast Skin Oxy Generator. So you just take this and it's a liquid. So you just apply it all over your face and neck once you are done with the cleansing of your skin. Alright. So the third step is super duper easy and quick. Now let's move on to the fourth step. Step is the Oxy Blast Regenerating Serum. I'm just going to empty the sachet of the serum and then I'm just going to apply this all over my face and neck and massage it into the skin really nicely. Just apply this. Wow, it is so cooling on the skin and my skin is already feeling plump and relaxed. So you're not supposed to remove this, so I'm just going to massage it into my face and neck and just leave it on. The fifth step is the Oxy Blast Deep Penetrating Mask. So you're supposed to apply this and steam your face with this, and you can also apply cling film on the face and just cut out just the nose area so you can breathe, and steam your face for 2 to 3 minutes, and then leave this on for 10-15 minutes, and then you're going to wipe your face with a damp cotton. So I'm just going to apply this, steam my face. So apply the mask evenly on your face and neck. I'm going to steam my face and then leave it on for 10-15 minutes, wipe my face with a damp cloth, and be right back with you. Wow, my skin just feels so plump and it's not feeling dry, dehydrated, nothing. I just have a nice subtle glow on my face, and we still have 2 more steps to finish. So let's go on to step number 6. So step number 6 is the Oxy Blast Energizing Cream. So this is now the massage cream. So I'm going to apply the entire sachet on my face, and I'm going to use some water, or you can even use like a cucumber juice or any other fruit juice to facilitate the massage. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to use water cream. Start with the massage.
So whenever you're massaging your face, always make sure you're using upward motions like this and not using downward motions. And just make sure around the eye area you use gentle pressure and don't use too much pressure. Keep using some water in between so that you're able to massage the face swiftly and you're not applying too much pressure on the face. So once I'm done with the massage, I'm just using a cotton cloth, a damp cotton cloth, to just kind of wipe off any leftover massage cream on the face.
You can just see how much my skin is glowing and feeling plump already. But let's finish it off, and we have 2 more products that I'm going to show you how to use them. So the 7th step is the Oxy Blast Radiance Mask. You just apply it on your face and neck and just leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes, then wipe it off with a cloth.
This is the last step. I'm just going to apply the Radiance Mask all over my face and neck, and I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes, and I'm just going to wipe it off and be right back with you.
I feel like I want to take a nap. I feel so relaxed, and here's a good before and after for you to see for yourself how fresh and regenerated my skin looks and feels. Facial is all done. My skin feels nice and plump. I'm happy. Next, let's move on to Cheryls Cosmecuticals O2C2 Cream. So this is a radiance lotion that you can apply twice a day on your face. So you can use this in your AM and PM routine both. It has a nice pump dispenser, that much, and I'm just going to press it. It's very soothing on the skin. I'm going to apply cream on my face and neck both. I'm just going to press it and spread it all over my face, and the cream is absorbed right into the skin. Now the last thing that we have to use once you're done with your facial with your O2C2 cream is apply the Dermashade Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Press it into the skin. So there you go, my skincare routine is finished. Now the facial kit, you can use it once a month to kind of regenerate your skin, get rid of the dead cells, get your skin a boost of oxygen, and your skin is going to feel plump and it's going to feel fresh and deeply cleaned and exfoliated and whatnot. So here is the proof in front of you. You can, as you just saw, in the before and after. Really enjoy the Oxy Blast facial, and I am going to continue using it once a month, and it's at a very affordable price point as well, and you can do the facial at the comfort of your home. And the O2C2 Radiance Cream from Cheryls Cosmecuticals is also very nice. It absorbs right into the skin. and of course one can never have enough SPF, so I'm really going to integrate this into my skincare routine as well. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about any of these products, make sure to comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.